Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. We are back over here at Don's. We're going to be working on his... Morning, Don. Going to be working on his 57 Chevy again. Hey, baby. Love his dog. So here's what we got. This is where we're starting. So I think the first thing we're going to do is get his springs, front springs back in the hat, and then get the shocks on this so that he can at least drive it around the neighborhood if we get it to a point where that can happen. And then while Ron's gonna be working on that, I'm gonna put in the light bar wiring harness, get that ran and where it needs to go. And then once that's done, we're definitely gonna bolt the rest of the fenders on, adjust the doors, do all of that. And then definitely by the end of the day, the hood will go on it. Now what'll happen in between all of that, I can't honestly tell you, but the idea here is to just put as much of this 57 Chev together and dialed in and where it needs to be as humanly possible. So that's what we're gonna do. And we'll bring you along for the ride, especially when I get into doing some of the wiring and whatnot. Like this is American Auto wire, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is their harness. I'll be installing this here shortly. This actually goes, I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, back there in that plug. And then should run out to the headlights and then out here for the grill, I would imagine.
Two lights, the blinker lights, I think.
The blinker lights out front. So we'll get all that in and just kind of keep going from there. So that's what we got.
I think this also goes to alternator.
Yeah.
I can't swear to it though.
That sure looks like it, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yours is there. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna make it all work. It's hotter than hell today, so we're gonna be a little careful and stay hydrated and do our thing. But this is what we're doing. Like you see, the front fenders are off. We haven't bolted the bottoms on yet, just the top. We'll have to get all that dialed in here in a little bit. And I might even start, I see a handle here, see if we got striker plates and door handles and see if we can't get them in, and then kind of go from there here. So got a lot of wiring stuff to do, a lot of, just a whole lot of little things, but I think we're close, guys. I think we could almost drive around the block, to be totally honest with you, with open headers. So anyway, guys, we will come back to you in a little bit, and we're going to get set up, and I'll come back. Thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom.